In Japan, chocolate production combines carefully controlled ingredients with extraordinary precision and automation. Before production begins, strict hygiene procedures protect every stage of the process. The journey begins with carefully selected cocoa beans arriving at the factory. Advanced inspection systems examine the beans before they enter production.
Good quality on these.
The selected beans are cleaned with precision, removing dust and unwanted material. Roasting develops the deep aroma and flavor that defines the finished chocolate. Once roasted, the beans reveal a richer aroma and a deeper chocolate character. The roasted beans are then broken down and ground until their natural cocoa fats create a dense chocolate mass. At the mixing stage, each ingredient is measured with remarkable precision. Refining reduces the texture to an exceptionally smooth consistency, preparing the chocolate for the next stage.